Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here with Hondo. Hey Hondo, you want to say hi to everybody? Do you? Do you want to say hi to everybody? Say hi everybody. Oh yes. So anyway, I'm here today to share a Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and a few things I found at Walmart haul with you. And it's just a lot of things, you know, for different reasons that I picked up. So I thought I would share it with you. Maybe you're looking for some of those things. Also, don't forget, it's Subscriber Appreciation Month, and I so appreciate you, my subscribers. So don't forget to watch the April 1st video, and let's jump into this haul. Okay, I'm just going to show you the things that I bought for myself, and then I bought some things for kids' church. As you know, I do that. So I did pick up some tea from Dollar Tree. Now, right now, my store is still $1.25, but I have heard that there may be prices increased at Dollar Tree. So I don't really have the lowdown on that, or the down low on that. What is it that I'm supposed to have? Anyway, I don't have it. But if you saw, let's see, Paper Terrace and some of the others that were part of the Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge last month, they used tea bags to make some really fun papers and embellishments for their junk journals. So I do want to do that. So I went ahead and picked up some of these tea bags. Plus, I like green tea. So if I decide I want to drink some, well, there you go. All right, I picked up another book at Dollar Tree. This is a nice size spine here. This is probably a good inch. I think for the junk journals that we're working on right now that are altered book journals, you need at least that inch. This one is, somebody asked me to measure it, so it's about 1.5 inches. This is a Reader's Digest one, so peekaboo. Anyway, okay, so we're working on that. So I am going to make another one. I'm having a lot of fun with that particular junk journal. I picked up this eyeliner. It is LA Colors Black, and it's a slim felt tip, and it's liquid, and I use it all the time, and that's one of the things that I look for when I go, and they don't always have it. Another thing I picked up is some ribbon. Picked up these 2 spools that look like this with the lace and the burlap. I love lace and burlap. Does anybody else love lace and burlap? And then also this cream satin. You get 18 feet, so it's a lot. I like that one too. Then I picked up, look what they had at Dollar Tree. They had an Alice in Wonderland book, and I'm really wanting to do a theme with Alice in Wonderland. So I love the different pictures and everything that could be used. So anyway, just keep an eye out if you're an Alice in Wonderland lover. They also had Cinderella and Cinderella. Anyway, they had that one. Then I picked up some stickers. Now, I always look for stickers, and I haven't found a lot of new stickers lately, but I did find these beautiful butterflies, and those are sort of the pastels, really pretty. And this one's the purple and yellow. And they do lay flat, if you were wondering, even though they are sort of a pop-up, but they will lay flat. So, very pretty. Then, I don't know if you've seen this space tape. Now, there is a brand that I have, and it works well. This is a different brand, Space Tape, and it's supposed to hold your pictures. It's waterproof, indoor, outdoor. It cuts to any size. You get 3.3 feet to try it out for $1.25. It's multi-function, and it's perfect for most flat surfaces, concrete, marble, wood, and other. Now, I will tell you, if you have a painted, if this is like the one I have, if you have a painted wall, you might not want to put this because it'll peel your paint. But it's supposed to be good. So I'm going to have to try that out on something. And then I saw this sponge. It's a hairstyling sponge for men and women. And it has these holes in it. But there is a craft I want to do where you have to do sort of this to your sponge. So I thought I would go ahead and get it because it's already done for me. So there you go. All right. Next, let me get my stuff out of the way first. Okay. So I like these McCormick. I like Rubbermaid little containers. I'm replacing some of mine that need to be replaced. And you get 3 with the lids. And I got the lavender or purple one because then I'll know the red ones are the ones I'm getting rid of. So there you go. All right. Then a lady in our church that writes cards to inmates at local jails and prisons. So I got her some note cards. The sunflower, you get 6, and also these beautiful carnations, you get 6. So I'm going to take those to her tomorrow. Then they do have seeds 4 for $1 at Dollar Tree. So I picked up some more. These are all herbs. So I'm going to put them, except for this one, I'm going to put them in my, it's an elevated garden. It's a little small, 4 feet by like 2 feet. And I've planted stuff in there before, but some of it grew. I didn't really harvest a lot. So I thought, well, herbs might be good in that. So, and then it waters itself. You fill a tank and it waters itself. Can't forget the kitties, Temptations. They love them, so I got that for them. And then for Hondo, they had Dream Bones. They had Dream Bones at Dollar Tree, and this is a donut, and the flavor is peanut butter. Do you know this is for you, buddy? Do you? Can you sit for Mom? Can you sit? Show everybody that you can sit. Hey, can you sit? Not paying attention. Can you sit for Mom? Good boy. See if I can get it open. Of course, while I'm on camera, it's not going to open. All right, let's see if he likes them. Dream Bones are good. It looks like a little donut. What do you think? You want to try it? You going to try it? Okay. Oh, we're going to take it. Can't go that way, can you? Yeah. To move my tripod. There you go. Okay, there you go. You can go now. All right, and then they have their patriotic July 4th stuff out, and so they had this cute wooden bead and heart little decor, so I picked that up. So I'm excited. I always like to get the colored beads anyways, but it's fun. Okay, and then a couple of little candies in case candy is warranted. All right, now the rest of the Dollar Tree things that I have are for kids' church. So I'll show you. One of the things that I picked up is I pick up drink flavors because I don't like to give them a lot of sugar or anything like that. So I do like let them add some flavors if it's okay with their parents and everything. And so Dollar Tree has a lot of flavors. They don't always have them. So that's one thing. Sometimes they just have like one flavor at the stores that I go to. So I got those for them. And then for their treasure chest, they like different things. So this is a new little drink, watermelon. Almost like a little purse, has a handle. And then this is a wind-up fishing game, shape of a frog. They like to buy their own flip-flops, which I don't sell them. They're usually in the treasure chest. And then this set. And it's usually girls that pick them up, but, you know, the boys can if they want to. And then they have these light nail polish. So it has glitter and a pink. And then the other one was, I think, a white. Let me see. With gold glitter. So I think they would like that. And one more bag there, and that is, I do get them some ring tops and I'll get them some candies. Not everybody gets the candy, so, you know, not everybody gets the same thing. We do the best we can, right? All right, so this is Kids Church. Then I wanted to show you some things that I found at Hobby Lobby. Move that out of the way. All right. Now, Hobby Lobby is always having sales. But I did happen on a few really good things. So this is the cutest little hanging decor I've seen in a while for July 4th. And it was $2.49. Let me make sure it didn't get a sale price because I didn't see a discount on them. No, these were not on sale. So this little sailor here, $2.49, and then the little gal. Aren't they cute? Have you seen these? I have not seen it. And then this one. So I am excited that I found these. They're like little treasures, you know. So, anyways, so I got 3. Those were the only 3 they had. Then everything else was on sale, either 40% off or yeah, everything else was 40% off or 50% off. Okay. All right, so let me show you. So these flowers here, you get 50 mini flowers. Hopefully you can see those okay. Aren't they pretty? And then these are mini roses. You get 12. And these were all $3.99 at 40% off. So, and this set. Pretty, right? And then they had this 77 memory verses every kid should know with the spring stuff. It's a little book, and it's actually coloring pages. And so I thought, well, that's pretty cool. And that was also 40% off, and it was regular $7.99, I think. So then I picked up these little spring flowers, bugs, ladybug, bee, little caterpillar, and those were $2.99, so 40% off there. And then I needed some jump rings. So these are 9mm, so they're pretty good size, and you got 120, and they were $2.99, but they were 50% off, so that made them $1.50. And then I did go ahead and pick up a Distress Oxide. Thought I would show you these paper pads, and they were 40% off as well. This one was $7.19 instead of $11.99 and $7.79. Now, this one is called Distress Floral. There's 20 designs. There's 60 pages, 12 by 12. 3 of each, and I just wanted to show you how absolutely gorgeous these papers are that I got. And I was really careful at what I picked, but look at these papers. Oh, have you been to Hobby Lobby lately? So I probably won't flip through all of them. Look at that. But I wanted to give you an idea of what they had. And if you get in on the sale, it's a great, great deal. So beautiful papers, and they make gorgeous tags and everything. Okay, this one is called Ephemera, and it's 20 designs, 3 of each, 60 sheets. And these are, oh, these are textured. I don't know if they're all textured, are they? They do have a feeling about them, but they're really beautiful pages. I love the vintage look to these, the old look. So I thought I would share these with you as well. Look at that, how beautiful. Yeah, these are These are gorgeous. And then I did go to Walmart today, and I picked up a few things I wanted to show you. A couple of things that I found are a pretty good price. These ribbons were the value ribbons for $1 each. This blue is a more of a dusty kind of, looks like it has some purple in it, maybe in the mixture. But it is 3 yards, each of them, and the yellow white polka dot. So that, and then these 2 beads. Now these are really, really pretty. And look at the gorgeous beads, and you get all of this for $3.99. And then the blue as well. Look at that. So I am going to be doing a tassel. I am going to be doing some fun things. So I did want to show you all of that. And I hope that you found something that you thought was really interesting. And I'd love to know what you liked from this haul. So thanks so much. Post below. Don't forget to check out the Subscriber Appreciation Month Challenge in the April 1st video. There is a giveaway, so check it out. And have a great day. Thank you.